So we're in Fresno, California. We just finished installing a Badger 5 garbage disposal. This is straight from Ferguson we picked up this morning, and it's got a line cord that's already assembled, which is nice. You can get them the other way. It's 5-10 minutes to hook it up, but it's just nice to have a line cord on there. So direct replacement for the existing garbage disposal was a Badger 5, so we just put a new one in there. It was leaking out of the bottom, so there's nothing you can do about that. We did replace the mounting flange, so this assembly portion here that mounts to the sink as part of the drain and the mounting assembly for the disposal, we put a new one in. There was some corrosion around that, which means it was leaking, and so we typically will replace this anyways. The reason being is we don't want to come back for a service call. If we leave that in and then mount a new disposal to it and you have trouble with it, we got to come back out and work on it. So it's another 10 minutes to mount that flange, and it comes with it. It's not an extra charge. So brand new putty, brand new strainer assembly up on top, and then of course the mounting bracket down below. So it's all tied back in. The existing garbage dishwasher discharge hose is tied into the disposal, not code, but not our installation. So the air gap has gone off the sink, and that's fine. Most people that remodel, they eliminate that anyways. So that's back in place and tied in. We'll put a new hose clamp on there. I didn't like these clamps right there, so brand new hose clamp. Over here, the telescoping kit is yours. We didn't install any of this waste down here, so basket strainer is yours, tailpiece is yours, the T is yours, the telescoping tailpiece is yours. We did give you a new bracket and mounting screws right here. Also the rubber gasket that's in there, that's all brand new because that came with the disposal, so we put that in for you. We did put in a tailpiece extension right here. This little piece right here, that's brand new. The reason why is this telescoping T was pushed down a little too low, so it had a lot of grade going uphill. It was going uphill at quite a good angle over to the disposal. So what we did is we pushed up this, we loosened this, pushed it up, tightened it back down, and then we went ahead and put an extension piece because the bottom was barely in this P-trap. That's your P-trap. You get a P-trap, 12 over 2, an adapter, and then a 22. That's all your piping back there. So all we did was put an extension piece because it just wasn't in there far enough for us. So that's good. We haven't tested it out yet. Got the plug knocked out. Everything's tied back in. I think that's it. Outside of that, this installation is done.